Hello, my name is Charlie Paramore, and I wanted to show you my bird book that I have illustrated. This is a bluebird sitting on a wire overlooking a field. This is a cardinal flying over some thistles. This is a cardinal taking a break on a log. Here is a miller's hawk catching some thermals in the morning light. Here is the hawk sitting on a high branch, looking down at the ground below. Here's a family of geese, grown geese and baby geese. Here's some geese flying across a body of water, reflections of the setting sun across the lake. Here is a robin flying through some thistles. Here is a robin resting on a ground with ferns and leaves. Here is an egret flying over some marshy grasses. Here is the egret landing among the marshy grasses. Here's a turkey vulture cruising over a sandy ground with a few weeds coming out of the ground. Here's a turkey vulture resting on a branch with the sun overhead. Here's a kite-tailed swallow sitting in a branch. Here's a kite-tailed swallow soaring through a purple and pink and blue sky. Here's a sky full of hawks. Here's a sky full of crows. Here are the crows landing on the ground and munching on some things they might find in the dirt among the leaves. Here are some sparrows flying through the brush. Here are some sparrows in a nest waiting for their mother. Here's a woodpecker flying. Here's the woodpecker sitting in a pine branch. Here's a mockingbird looking for something down there in the grass. Here's a mockingbird resting in the leaves. Here's a brown thrasher flying next to a fence row. Here's a brown thrasher sitting on some vines in front of a gate. Here's a blue jay soaring through the air. Here's a blue jay sitting in a bird bath. Here's an owl flying through the forest. Here's an owl resting among the trees. Here's some ducks flying over a lake. Here's the ducks watching the lake. Here's a dove with its wings spread, golden and yellow. Here's a dove sitting on top of a chimney above an old red truck. Here's a quail flying across some green and yellow grass. Here's the quail walking beneath a tree. Here's some turkeys flying. Here's some turkeys walking. This is a killdeer flying over a body of water. Here's the killdeer resting on a rock in front of some grass. Here's a crane flying through the sky. Here's a sandhill crane walking among the yellow grasses and the reeds. Here's an anhinga flying over the water past this pine branch. Here's the anhinga resting on a stump in the water, looking for a meal. Here's a goldfinch flying over the water. It's flying over some flowers in bloom. Here's the goldfinch sitting on a flower. It's got some butterflies overhead, some birds in the distance. Here's a hummingbird sitting on some thorns and looking across the landscape. Here's another hummingbird flying across the landscape, finding him some flowers there. Here's the bluebird in flight, about to land in that tree. That has been my bird book. I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.